So we have the Brabus XLP 800, I believe it is, with the Brabus boat bossing around at Top Marks Monaco 2025. This feels like same feeling when I was here 16 years ago. I took my M5 E39 down here. My daughter's mother, 296 Spider. My daughter's mother and my daughter flew down. I took the BMW M5 E39 Express down, picked them up at Nice airport, and I visited Top Marks Monaco. Wow, I never seen a Brabus in white. The boat in white looks great. It's gonna be a great Top Marks Monaco 2025. Clothes, etc. is coming on. We have Brabus furniture. That's a good sign. The XLP 800 looks pretty brutal. I kind of like this bar protecting from everything. Good against moose in Sweden. So it's a 4x4, but Brabus own kind of 4x4. It's just a gas and the 800 kit. Have a look at this clear carbon. The whole bumper is in clear carbon. That's insane. Carbon just looks so good when you have sun falling it on.